Hello friends, you are once again very welcome to the Crazy Gadget, the world of amazing gadgets and the awesome invention. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not yet subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications bell. So let's go first towards our gadget. Number 1. Car key finder. Guys, sometimes it happens that our car keys are not found even after searching a lot. So in such situations, you can now use this small gadget. It is also very easy to use. You just have to put it in your car. After that, you can track your car key by connecting these gadgets to smartphones. These small gadgets can be quite useful for you. If you forget to put your key somewhere, then this gadget will be perfect for you. Number 2. Smart trim light. Friends, these gadgets can help you a lot if you want to give a great look to the interior of your car. This is a smart light that you will need to install in your car, which will easily fit it. With the help of accessories provided in it, you can fit easily in your car. In this, you get the options of 50 color lights, with which you can control its mobile app so that you can also change the color of the lights according to your mind. With the help of this light, you can give your car a creative and amazing look. So friends, if you also want to give a great look to your car, then you should definitely use this gadget. Number 3. Dash camera. Friends, this camera is designed for the safety of your car. Through this camera, you record a 360-degree view of your vehicle. A powerful sensor has been used in it, with the help of which, if there is any activity in the vehicles, it immediately sends the video clip of that activity to your mobile automatically. So friends, it can be a very good gadget for the safety of your car. With the help of which you park your car anywhere, then this small gadget will help you to save your car completely. Number 4. Ear Hawk. Guys, this gadget is an amazing cordless air compressor which fills the air in the tire by pulling the outside air. With the help of this gadget, you will not have to go anywhere to fill the air in the tire, and in emergency situation, this gadget will be very helpful for you. In this, you get quite a type of nozzle with the help of which you can fill air in an electricity vehicle. It is small enough in size that you can keep it in your car, and its special thing is that it also runs without electricity, with the help of which you can fill air in any luggage, whether it is football or bicycle or truck. Number 5. Cup warmer. Friends, sometimes it gets cold while drinking coffee or tea in the car. So in such a situation, you can use this amazing gadget cup warmer, with the help of which you have coffee, tea can be saved from cooling. These gadgets will be connected to your car's USB cable. When your coffee is fully heated, it will stop automatically. In this, you can keep every size cup which are completely saved. If you also drink coffee or tea in your car, then this gadget proves very useful for you. Number 6. Car speaker phone. Guys, this is a great Bluetooth speaker. In this, you get a high quality speaker which gives you a very good sound quality. In this, you can also use Siri or Google very easily with the help of voice commands. In this, you get many features such as calls, music and more. It is very small in size, with the help of which you can carry with you. The special thing is that this gadget automatically turns off or on. When you enter in the car, it turns on automatically, and when you get out of the car, it stops automatically. If you also want a smart Bluetooth speaker, then you can use it in a good way. Number 7. Freezer. Guys, this is a great mini car freezer which you can carry in the car with you. These are fast cooling mini car fridge which you can put it in your car's 12-watt socket. In this, you get to see very good storage in which you can keep cold drink and more things needed. Its weight is very light. These are a portable fridge that you can carry anywhere. If you go on long drives or trips, then these gadgets can prove to be useful for you. Number 8. Rapidex X5. Friends, if you are going on a long tour with your friends and a lot of people are traveling with you, then in such a situations you will have the problem of charging in your mobile. So you can use this gadget to get out of this problem, with the help of which you can charge up to 5 phones simultaneously. There are many options in it which can also help you in fast charging. So friends, this small gadget can be very good gadget for your charging purpose. Number 9. Car door step. Friends, this is a door step with the help of which you can reach the appearance of your car. You can also use it while washing the car or while keeping any goods. You have to fit it in the door leg of your car, after which you can also keep your luggage as easily as to your car. You can apply it at the time of use and can also leave after use. Number 10. Max Track. Guys, if you drive off-site, then you will know that there is often some place where the car wheels are stuck and it is very difficult to remove them. It happens. You can now use this gadget under such conditions because they are flexible plastic pads that have a grip design. You have to keep its pads in front of your tires. After this, due to the grip design in this gadget, it gets stuck in the tires of your car and your car gets through this gadget easily. If you want off driving or want to go new places or are fond of some experiment, then this gadget becomes very useful for you. So friends, the link to all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching.